Hello friend, today I am going to solve a problem is based on dual cycle. So here I am take a problem, the swept volume of a diesel engine working on dual cycle is 0.0053 meter cube and Kilren's volume is 0.0035 meter cube. The maximum pressure is 65 bar. Fuel injection ends at 5% of the stroke. The temperature and pressure at the start of the compression are 80 degrees Celsius and 0.09 bar. Determine the air standard efficiency of a cycle. Take gamma for air is 1.4. So here I am draw PV diagram of dual cycle. So you know that 1, 1 to 2 is a reversible adiabatic compression process and 2 to 3 heat addition constant volume process and 3 to 4 is heat addition constant pressure process and 4 to 5 is reversible adiabatic expansion process and 5 to 1 is constant volume heat rejection process. So in problem already is given Kilren's volume, that is the Kilren's volume, this one. So V2 equal to V3 equal to Vc, that is the Kilren's volume, and swept volume already given, that means given 0. This one 0.0053 meter cube. So maximum pressure, that means that is the maximum pressure P3 equal to P4, that is the constant, and this is the maximum pressure given 65 bar, and initial temperature and pressure, that means T1 and P1 is given. T1 is 80 degrees Celsius and P1 is 0.09 bar. So here I am write everything. Now I am calculate dual cycle. So you in last lecture I am already explained the thermal efficiency of dual cycle. So thermal efficiency of dual cycle is 1 minus 1 by R gamma minus 1. R is the compression ratio and B beta, that means pressure ratio, and rho, that means rho is our cut-off ratio. Power gamma minus 1 divided by beta minus 1 plus beta gamma into rho minus 1. So you know that compression ratio is nothing but V1 by V2. So V1 is you can write V1 is, this one is V1. So you can write Vc plus Vs, and V2 is Kilren's volume. So here I am write Vs plus Vc by Vc. Vs and Vc already given, so you can find R. So R is 16.14. So now I am going to find out cut-off ratio. Cut-off ratio, you know that V4 by V3. V4 is nothing but is given in problem V4 minus V3 is equal to 5% of swept volume. So you can solve this and you can write V4 is nothing but you have to, this one is calculate, then you can write 5% of Vs plus V3 divided by V3. So finally cut-off ratio you can find 1.757 and pressure ratio is P3 by P2. P3 is the maximum pressure ratio, so already is given is 65 bar, but P2 is don't know, so you can calculate during the process once it do, because P1 is given V1 by V2, that means is compression ratio already is given. Sorry, you can calculate compression ratio. So you can write for compression process P1 V1 gamma equal to P2 V2 power gamma. So you can write P2 by P1 equal to V1 by V2 whole power gamma. V1 by V2 is nothing but is compression ratio. See, already you can calculate this value, and P2 is equal to P1 into gamma power R power gamma. So P1 is given 0.9 bar into R. R you can calculate 16.14 and gamma already is given 1.4. So you can calculate P2 is equal to 44.22 bar. So putting this all value R gamma, R gamma, rho and beta in equation in thermal efficiency of a dual cycle. So you can put this value. R is this one, put this 16.14 for power gamma, that means 1.4, and beta you can already calculated 1.47, and rho is already calculated 1.76 power 1.4 minus 1. So finally you get, finally you have to find thermal efficiency of dual cycle is 63.83%. Thank you.